Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, we are going to learn all about enum data type. So without any further delay, let's get started. Double click on Turbo C icon on the desktop to start Turbo C ID. Select New from the file menu to create new source file. Before start coding, let's understand what enum is. Enum is the abbreviation for enumerate, and we can use this keyword to declare and initialize the sequence of integer constants. To declare the enumerated data type, we write the keyword enum followed by an optional identifier of the enum type called tag, followed by the list of names that are permissible values for the data type. Example: enum colors in opening brace red, yellow, green, closing brace, semicolon. I have made the constant names in uppercase, but you can name them whichever way you want. If you don't assign a value to a constant, the default value for the first one in the list, that is red, is 0. The rest of the undefined constants have a value 1 more than the one before. So yellow is 1, green is 2, and blue is 3. But you are free to assign any value. This program demonstrates the wonderful usage of enum in your program. So let's begin. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main opening brace closing brace, int education attitude knowledge hard work, semicolon. These are our integer variables. Now we are going to define enum. So enum att, this is tag name, it is optional, opening brace a equal to 1, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, and z. Closing brace, semicolon. clrsr printf \n. How important the attitude is? Question mark \n quotes complete bracket complete semicolon. Printf \n if quotes complete bracket complete semicolon. Printf \n a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Each quotes complete, bracket complete, semicolon. Printf in bracket double quotes backslash n 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 and 26. Percent double quotes complete, bracket complete, semicolon. Note that if you want to print percent symbol in C, then you need to write this percent. Okay. Printf backslash n, then backslash n, quotes complete, bracket complete, semicolon. Education equal to E plus D plus U plus C plus A plus T plus I plus O plus N, semicolon. Next, knowledge equal to K plus N plus O plus W plus L plus D plus G plus E, semicolon. Sorry, here E. Okay. Next, hard work equal to H plus A plus R plus D plus W D plus W plus O plus R plus K. And last, attitude equal to A plus T plus T plus I plus T plus U plus D plus E, semicolon. Now printing this value, printf in bracket double quotes backslash n, education got percent D percent, quotes complete, comma, education bracket complete, semicolon. I am going to copy this printf statement thrice. Okay. Next, knowledge got percent D percent, knowledge. Next, hard work got percent D percent, hard work. And last, attitude got percent D percent, attitude. Okay, and get ch. semicolon. Save the program as attitude.c. Compile it to make sure that there are no syntax errors. Alt F9. The program is absolutely fine. Now I am going to run it by pressing Ctrl plus F9, and you can see the output, how important the attitude is. If A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, dot dot dot. Then education got 92%, knowledge got 96%, hard work got 98%, and attitude got 100%. So that's all for this video lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to view the upcoming interesting video lesson. If you have any queries regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.